Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and today I'm decorating a teeny tiny Christmas tree for when my kids come. Okay, I just got off the phone from Arthur and Mel, and we have a plan to do something special with the Connected Hearts Christmas cards that have been coming in, but we're not having a tree until Nan comes. And I found this squished up little dollar store 1 foot tree. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my absolute best to make us a little tree that can be used in itself, say in the bathroom or on a bedside table or whatever. But at least we'll have a tree to open gifts around or next to or whatever. So this is my very teeny tiny Christmas tree. So we're just going to make this all stand up straight and fluff it all out. And what I've got to decorate this with is I paid don't look at the price I paid for these, but these are LED light bulbs that are done on a battery, and I have the batteries for those. I have some little inky dinky ornaments from from days gone past. I have, and I love these. These are little pom-poms that my nevy Taylor Dykeman sent me when he sent me some seeds. And I have some tinsel pipe cleaners and a little bit of tinsel ribbon. So let's get a move on with this little tree. So I just want to make sure that it's going to look like a tree first. I think some of the lower branches have been ripped off in the past. But I mean, it may look rough, and it had a little set of lights on it that you can plug in. But I want to be able to do this, like set it in the middle of the table during dinner, or on, you know, where I can just move it, or so that we'll have a little tree, you know, just to have a little tree, right? So let's do that. Now, let's figure out these lights. I don't fuss with stuff anymore. All right, these are LED indoor Christmas lights. And you're supposed to open the darn thing. Seriously, they make it so that you don't lose the pieces to the battery case, but then they don't show you how to open it. Oh, okay, there's a little thing that says, oh, see, and of course it breaks. It says to push it this way to open, and of course it breaks. That's okay, that's what packing tape is for. Now we have our little lights, and we're gonna unravel them here. There are almost enough decoration in there. Oh, wow, that's actually quite a bit. Pretty, isn't it? All right, let's turn the lights off and let's put on the garland. Now let me see how far I can get with this gold ribbon here. Oh, we got to put the star on. Let's make a star. Okay, we'll make it a little bit smaller. And we'll fold it over like this. Like that. Pinch you. Come over here. Pinch you. Pinch you. And then come back around. Pinch you. And then come back around. Oh my goodness. There's our little star. Look. Oh, let's get you up higher so you can see more of what I'm doing here. Look, so we got a star now. right? Now, let's see if I can't make this work as a little bit of garland here. You know what I should have done is I should have put this garland ribbon on right on the light wire to hide it. Oh, it's really raining heavy. So now let's take a glue stick and make a spiral. Let's see, I know this tree is too small for the icicles that I normally make, but what if we can fill in the holes of the garland? Hook it on there. Do leave a little bit on the end so that you can hook it to the tree. A pen works better. The glue isn't as slippery, but... Alright, so we found a little hole in the garland here. So we're going to stretch this out and hook it to one branch here and one branch over here. And it does look like garland, doesn't it? Isn't that pretty? Oh yeah, we need something in here too. I've had people say, I don't have room for a tree. Well, you know what? There's always room for a tree. I think I need more pipe cleaners. I love having a craft room. I've wanted one my whole life and I finally have one. All right. Let's do some white. It's almost clear, but it'll give it an icy look, won't it? Alrighty, look at that. And now we're gonna hang on our little decorations. Little Santa. A little wreath. Put you right there. I find the lower part of the tree usually is the one that gets neglected the most. Whoops. Oh, snowman. Right there. Now, thanks to my Nevy Taylor, we have some little pom-poms that have sparkles on them. So we're just gonna, and they will stick to the branches. Okay. It doesn't take much to decorate a tree this tiny. Now, I'm gonna take this pipe cleaner and I'm just gonna make a little candy cane. And we'll hang it there. And I'll do another little candy cane. And we'll hang it right there. Are you ready, folks? Now, isn't that a beautiful little Christmas tree? Right up to the star on top. If you want a tree and you don't think you have the room, I challenge you to make yourself a dollar store Christmas tree. I'm sure you're going to find room for it somewhere. This is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead saying happy holidays. Take care. God bless.